So in this video, I will tell you how to download apps and install apps in Samsung Smart TV. So first of all, you need to go to app section that is located here. So just click on app section through your remote. So let me open it. After open app section, you need to find your favorite apps that you want to download. So you can search here or you can scroll down to see other apps. So let me find here any app and I can show you how to install and download it. So just click on any generation. So here I am selecting video and let me find any app so I can tell you how to install. Just let me check. So here is the app named Gain. So let me install it. Just open, click open, and then you can check. Here is the option of install, this install option. So just press installers. So here installing is process. So you can see here installation complete and we need to open. To just click on open. So open and then your app is downloaded in your Samsung Smart TV. This is the process that you can do for downloading any apps that is available in this Samsung TV. All apps are not available, but available apps you can easily download and install it. So I hope you understand how to download apps in Samsung Smart TV. Please like and share this video and keep subscribing. Thank you.